Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So today we are making some mini gluten-free honey cornbread muffins. And a few weeks ago I asked about mixes and products that I'm trying if you guys wanted me to share some of those with you. So I'm doing a little bit of that. Some of you guys buy mixes, some of you guys don't. Just all depends on preference and allergies and family needs. But today I am using a mix. I am using a gluten-free honey cornbread and muffin mix by Krusteaz. This product has been around for a long time, but I have actually never made it. So we went over to some neighbors yesterday, had dinner. This is what Tara picked up for us to bring over. So I made them yesterday. So I'm gonna go over a few things with it, mix them up, and I'll tell you what I thought. I'm Jamie with SavorySaver. I share gluten-free recipes, tips, tricks, and resources to make your gluten-free lifestyle easier. So please consider hitting subscribe, and let's get started. So let's talk about a couple things on this product just before I do a quick run through of how to bake them and we try the product. So it is made with real honey, according to the box here. There are no artificial flavors, colors, or preservatives in the product. And it is certified gluten-free by the GFCO, which is the Gluten Free Certification Organization. So I will link below to their website if you want to learn more about them. The ingredients, I will put them next to me, but first ingredient is sugar, so be aware of that. Then it's your white cornmeal, yellow cornmeal, xanthan gum. Honey is in the form of honey powder, of course, because it's a dry mix. And the ingredients do say they may contain milk and soy. So full ingredients are listed here, but always remember to read the box when you get to the store or if you're ordering online before you order it to make sure ingredients have not changed since I filmed this. Making the cornbread, pretty standard. Some milk, an egg, some oil. You mix everything in a bowl and pour it into an 8x8 or a 9x9 square pan, or you can make full-size muffins or mini muffins as I did. Also, there are a couple variations. One is to add a little bit of shredded cheddar cheese to have cheddar cornbread muffins, and one is for some spicy garden cornbread muffins, and all the directions are here for that. It's only a few dollars. Tara got it at Target, I think, for between $4 and $5. And I've also seen the brand at Walmart, I think. And of course, you can get it online. So now I'm gonna show you how to make these. I'm just gonna do a quick edit and speed it up for you guys. Pretty standard. So let's get through that and I'll tell you what I thought about them. Okay, so the finished muffins that we made were mini, and I did this for two reasons. For one, because if Tara's eating them, she's gonna only have one or two anyway, so it's portioned well. Two, I also made regular cornbread muffins, so I did those standard size, so it would be easy to identify. And three, they just fit in the freezer better. Because I did freeze everything that we didn't eat yesterday. So this one has thawed out. Yesterday, fresh out of the oven, good taste, tasted like cornbread. They were pretty crumbly though. So I'm gonna move you guys down to the counter. I'm gonna break this open and butter it, and we're gonna see if after freezing it, if it's still super crumbly. I'm assuming it's going to be, but we'll see. Okay, so here's the muffin, and I'm just gonna break it open. That's what it looks like on the inside. So it's got a good texture. So let's get a little bit of butter on my knife. Let's see if it spreads. So you can see where it's breaking up here. And let's be honest, cornbread, even the regular stuff, is crumbly to a point. So let's not hold that against this too much. All right, let's give it a taste after it's been frozen for a day. Okay, so here it is. Again, was frozen, been thawed. It is not heated. I'm eating it at room temperature. Is crumbly. Still has good taste though. Texture is good. I don't think it's any more dry than other cornbreads can be. Again, I like the mini muffin size, just makes it a little easier to eat them. Freezing them, you can take out a couple at a time. Guys, if you like cornbread, you want an easy mix to make, I definitely think that Krusteaz is one to try. Guys, that's all I have for today. Please leave me any comments below if you've used this product, or leave the name of your favorite gluten-free cornbread mix that you buy so other people can see that. I want to thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you on the next video.